guys. So I kind of forgot which way around the brake line to connect. But lucky enough, on top of the ABS pump, that was labelled. So I quickly put a vacuum hose on it and sucked it. You know, with the hand tool, not with my mouth, like. So I got those fitted. Sorted out some heat shields, put the drive shafts together, and I'll try to make some more videos soon. I know I've been a bit slow at the minute, but you know this most likely happens to a lot of other people also. But sometimes I just think about so much, my mind gets clouded in, rushes by, and then I forget that I'm supposed to be holding a camera. I hope you have an amazing day.